Hello friends, today we have one wonderful product for the cough relief. The main is Adusa compound cough syrup. This syrup is manufactured by Navnath Herbals in Dindori, Nashik, and marketed by Sai Pharmacare, Sangvi in Bharamati. And this is the most effective Ayurvedic medical use for treatment of asthma and attack of breathlessness, and it treat other breathing problem also. It treat respiratory diseases in a safe and natural way, ensure that the lung function efficiency. It is also provide nutrition to the respiratory cell, and it prepared from several medical herbs that given here. I will show you some details. Here are some medical work. The Adusa Kantakari, Kharisa, Jashtama, Tulsi, Haldi, Sunt, Miri, Menthol, Jaukar, Camphor, and peppermint oil and sugar is the best for the sweet treatment. This Adusa cough syrup is when used to treat cough and other bronchial problems. I suggest you must use it, but before medicinal property for these compounds are anti-asthmatic, bronchodilator, mucolite, antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory. This is mainly used to treat asthma, lung infection, cold, common cold, bronchitis, and sore throat. Sinusitis is also mainly used for the asthma. This asthma is caused due to the some breathlessness is due to the some allergic property or allergic condition. It means that the symptoms are triggered when the body is exposed to the substance to which a person is allergic. It result in exaggeration response by the immune system is lead to the construction of mucus in the bronchi and bronchial. Due to this, which pass the air through the air and restrict the leading to breathlessness. This product can useful for this symptom to take away. I suggest you must use it, and it has the gingiva, tulsi, and haldi. These are all Ayurvedic medicines, but the cost is I think this cost is 65 rupees. I have earlier made a video on the Shwasari. The cost is about 50 rupees, and quantity is also large, the 250 ml of quantity, and here only 100 ml quantity. I suggest you as your requirement, and I suggest you use the Swasari. The quantity and quality is also best. I have not used that Adusa cough syrup, but it's also used because good, because it has also the Adusa. This is the best compound for the cough relief property, and this also used in lung infection also, friends. This is high effective in management of lung infection like pneumonia. It produces anti-inflammatory and antibacterial activities and action. This helps to reduce the production of mucus in the lungs caused due to infection, and this also treats the common cold. To relieve a symptom of common cold, it acts as an anti-inflammatory agent and reduce the swelling and irritation in nose. It also provides a relief from the nose blockage and sneezing and running nose. The medicine can also be used to get rid of the headache and caused by common cold. Patient who is suffering from cold frequently can use this medicine on a regular basis. Help it limit the repetition occurring symptom. It eases and discomfort caused due to this condition. It also allows the person to sleep well by reducing the nose blockage. And it will not cause habit, that some chemicals will cause habit, and it will this is not will habitual property, and this can be used by children, and here given the how the toes is taken by elders and children. Thank you.